Hello gamers! In today's video, let's see how to obtain compots in Infinity Nikki. Start by completing Chapter 7, where you'll receive 3 compots after defeating the S-Lane boss. Following this, engage in weekly boss fights in the realm of Breakthrough, accessible through activated work spires. These weekly challenges not only provide a chance to defeat the boss again, but also reward you with additional compots, although the quantity may vary each week. If you participated in the pre-registration for Infinity Nikki, check your mailbox for any compots rewards you might have received upon logging into the game. Additionally, remember that compots are essential for crafting and evolving outfits. Each evolution requires 7 compots alongside other materials like bling and thread of purity. To maximize your collection efficiency, participate in the weekly challenges consistently and explore the game world to activate work spires for easier navigation. Always stay alert for special events or updates that could offer extra opportunities to earn compots. By following these steps and tips, you'll be well equipped to gather enough compots to enhance your outfits and enjoy a richer gameplay experience in Infinity Nikki. Hope you got value from this video.